Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nurani Syahira binti Abu Bakar and my matric number is CU190222. In this lab, I will discuss about circuit design and PCB layout. Firstly, we open the Proteus and select the circuit that we have been done on the previous lab. From this circuit, we need to change the component if the component did not have a PCB package like LED and battery. So to change the component, we need to remove it and we replace with another component which is VeroPin. We use this to replace LED and battery. So we click OK. We place it here. After that, we change the name. After we are naming it, we connect it. Make sure the connection is correct. And for this oscilloscope, we remove it. So we have done our replacement component, and after that we can place it in the PCB layout. So the next part I will pass to my group mate.
Let's start from section 8 group 11. Now I will present about how to bring the component to the PCB layout, which is area circuit. First of all, we choose the tools, and next we choose the auto placer. Okay, we can see this is our component, such as capacitor, LED, transistor, and also resistor, and lastly is the battery. Now we just click OK. So it will put the component in PCB form, so we can adjust the component. So how to routing the PCB layout? So this is the next part of my team member. Thank you.
Greeting Doctor, I'm Tanvini, matric number AE190104. So I will continue with the routing process. After the component placement properly for routing, by using the design rule manager, we may change the layer and track size. Because this is a single layer PCB, both the power and signal net class must be assigned to the bottom copper layer. So we change here, click OK. Then click on the auto router after we have set everything out. This is an intensive calculation process and we need to wait so few seconds then the circuit will automatically roll out. So okay, the bottom track are shown by the blue line, and we need to make sure that the circuit does not have any additional green line. So if in this case, the circuit must be reloaded. So here is the circuit after routing, and that's all from my part. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. For my part, I want to produce a PCB to convert to PDF file when we want to make a reference, when we want to make the process of etching of the board. Okay, now we go to the output here and we generate the Gerber isolation. Okay, for this is file location. Now we choose only bottom copper, and the others we untick that. And okay, run Gerber viewer. That's other problem. There's some problem here. It cannot open. So if the Gerber is function, here it will show the only bottom copper. If there we tick only bottom copper, here we will know the when we use the Gerber, we can see the bottom copper only here. Now we want to have a PDF file, which is one for only bottom copper, and second is all of the component. Okay, first here we want to have bottom copper only, and others we can untick that. Okay, here we tick the mirror and we click OK. Okay, here now it shows that there is the PDF file here, same like this. Okay, okay, same here that we want. And second, this is bottom copper only. And second, to get the second PDF that include all component, we repeat all the like the previous one. If you want to use the etching, for the etching we just need bottom copper only, because if we use this, it will be short here. It will be short. So in the etching process, we just need this bottom copper only. Okay, here is the part of the conclusion, which is in this lab we had studied the method of the design that using Proteus errors. We also had know the how to develop the layout of PCB circuit. We also know the how to design using Proteus. We had know how to convert schematic to errors, and by using the errors that we have routing the errors of PCB. We use this all the skill before we go to the etching part.